Hi there and welcome back to another video. I'm Kim from Night Owl Graphics and today we'll be educating you on magnetics. In this video we're going to learn what magnetics are, what they are used for, the pros and cons, care and storage, and we're going to have a demonstration with sample magnetics to show you what vehicles and materials they work on and what materials and vehicles they don't work on. We just got done making these two demo magnetics. We're now going to go outside and test them on different vehicles and different materials so you can see the reactions and how they work. So I'm now going to go ahead and clean the vehicle off before we put the magnetic on. This is just some soapy water. It's just Johnson & Johnson's baby shampoo and a little water mixture, and I use that to clean the vehicle off before they put the magnetics on. Magnetics are ready. What we're going to do is before we put it onto the vehicle, we're going to turn it over, wipe down the magnetic to make sure that there's no dust or dirt on it that might affect the finish of the paint on the vehicle. Now that it's all wiped down, we're going to go ahead and put it on. So we're now going to go ahead and try the magnetic on the Tesla. We picked this vehicle because we know that the doors are not receptive to magnetic, so we just want to kind of show you ahead of time what happens when we do this. So this is one of the reasons why we ask you guys to use the refrigerator magnet as a sample. Go around in each place you want to put the magnetic and test it. We'd rather have you guys do that ahead of time than go ahead and order from us and unfortunately waste your money because the magnetics you ordered won't work. So what I'm going to do now is show you as far as placement, where to put it on your vehicle. Do a quick wipe down of the magnetic. Again, make sure the vehicle, So you guys can see there's a pretty sharp ridge here. You don't want to bridge that, and I'll show you why. We put the magnetic on, the wind's going to get under it and just have it fly right off. So when you go and install it, you want to make sure it's in a flat area. So we're going to talk about the care of magnetics. If you ever remove them off of your vehicle, you want to clean the back of the magnetic, and you also want to clean the vehicle as well. It is recommended that you do this weekly. Over time, dust and dirt can get behind it, and then it may affect the paint, and you don't want to damage the paint. So it's recommended that the back of the magnetic and your vehicle is cleaned weekly. So when you remove the magnetic and you want to store it, what you don't want to do is put it in your back seat over a seat buckle. Because in the summertime with the heat inside the vehicle, if it goes over a seat buckle, the material is somewhat flexible, and can contour around that seat buckle. Put it right in your refrigerator. It'll keep it flat and smooth for you. When you're ready to reinstall it, just take it off. Make sure your vehicle is cleaned. Make sure this is cleaned again, and then you can go ahead and install it onto your vehicle. Thanks for sticking around and watching the video. If you have any further questions or would like a free estimate on magnetics or any other signs, please give us a call at 215-244-0444 or visit us online at nightowlgraphics.com. Thanks for watching.